Sorry?
बैठ के फिर से
Starting again.
roll.
Already?
Oh,
Should I do it again?
it started happening.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I am Agranit and I am a content creator.
This is Deepshika. I'm pursuing my passion as a content creator.
My name is Lanze and I'm a full-time content creator.
My name is Brinda Murthy. I work at a 9 to 5 job. I'm a model, I'm a dancer, content creator, blah blah blah.
My name is Tanisha Singh and I'm a full-time content creator and model.
I am Monica D'Souza. I'm a content creator.
I'm Chavi Batoria and I'm a student and a content creator.
I am the same as a person but a little bit quieter from what I am in front of the camera.
It's like a whole different personality when I'm on the camera. It's like a very bold, very strong, very bossy image. But when the camera is off, it's like a entire different personality. I become a baby, a very nurtured, very pampered person.
I think I'm quite funny actually, and my friends tell me all the time that I should also create funny reels because I'm a very funny person. I'm the funny friend. But then I mostly do fashion, I mostly do just fit checks, and I think, after this question, I might just start posting funny videos again because that's me off camera.
I'm not that different, honestly, but on camera, like a little bit more, gotta be a little bit more presentable.
I mean, if I be honest, I think the off-camera version of me is very mustikhor. Like, I love to pull pranks on people and like just do my whimsical things. But on camera, I'm pretty professional like that.
I think it's same. As I say, I feel I'm content myself now, so I don't keep anything before it and after it. It's just the same. You'll see the raw me without makeup, eating my food and slaying the glam role, all of it. So I think I'm 100% same. I'll still leave 1% scope because nobody's perfect. So I think 99%.
So I usually try to keep myself as authentic and as genuine as possible, off and on camera. But I do feel that somewhere I would like to portray my quirkiness more on the camera.
Your audience trusts you. Just be authentic in what you do.
I think it's okay to be imperfect. That's the message that we need to hear every time. And our life shouldn't be reflected as like a perfect life.
To be honest, not to take the hate seriously because I've been there, I've stressed myself out, and it's not really worth it.
It's not that deep, honestly. Like, sometimes just do it for fun.
That it's actually okay sometimes if the video doesn't work out. Like, you don't have to force yourself always to make that video go hit on numbers. Sometimes just do it for the sake of doing it, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
You have to be consistent. If you feel something has to be very authentic, when I'll achieve that body, I'll make content. When I'll have that thing, I'll do those things. So these are the things that it's never gonna happen. It's today. So your journey starts today. Whatever you have, with however you have, start it. So don't wait for tomorrow to start.
Honestly, consistency and quality content will get you there.
Black, obviously. It complements my skin.
Black can never go wrong.
Black and pink. If I have to choose, I think I'd go with black because black is statement.
Pink, because it's my favorite color, or beige, because it goes well with my skin tone.
Without a doubt, it has to be pink.
White. I think it's eternal, it's graceful, and I can always play around with white. So yeah.
Pink.
I go travel, I shut my phone and I just explore.
So I would say we need to stay connected to the people who literally care about us. Either it can be a friend, a family. We need to good break and be connected with the one who cares about you.
I think I'm a very simple girl. I just like to chill with my dog, journal, pray, and then just go on walks, mental health walks.
I'm gonna say an answer that everyone usually says, which is just take a break and just hang out with my friends.
To define the world, to me, it will be my friends and family. And except for that, I don't think anyone else's opinion matters because they don't know me.
I give my time to pets. I go towards animal. I think they don't speak much. Their only emotions can be felt. So I surround myself with animals. I go for charity works. I go to feed them. So I enjoy those process.
So I do think that we get easily burnt out using Instagram, but grounding myself with my friends and my family and also watching my comfort shows is the way to go.
just be authentic. Your audience trusts you. Just be authentic in what you do.
It's a great responsibility that you are actually influencing people, so you have to be honest, your review should be honest, and you have to be true to your Insta fam or anyone who you are influencing.
We have a lot of responsibility, like every single thing we do, we influence, especially us, the Gen Zs, the little girls that we influence like all the time. And that is why I think I'm very mindful of what I promote, very mindful of what I engage with. So I think we do have a lot of responsibility and be mindful of it. So yeah, a lot.
People are watching you every single time and your opinion really matters. So like if you do not know something, educate yourself on that matter and then speak about it, or don't at all, you know.
You have to learn a lot of things, I think. You have to be very presentable all the time. You know, you should know how to sell, you should know how to like kind of talk and everything. Like just, yeah, pretty much that much.
I feel with great power come great responsibility. I totally feel it's very important for all the creator to be aware, to not to run behind trend. When I say trend, sometimes a wrong news can be trend, you know, just to support some cause. You don't even know the full story. So I think awareness is very important.
I think it's a really big responsibility since our audience and our community trust us with our recommendations, with our style and with our content. So I do feel that I need to be really picky with the brands that we collaborate with.
Delete, obviously.
The draft one, it's like you don't want to post it, but you want to keep it. So draft.
Deleted, definitely the deleted ones.
For me, drafts.
Drafts.
I think draft because those are regrets that never happen. So yeah.
Drafts, because I feel drafts has a lot of potential and I think you just need to take the risk and just upload it.
Authentic, iconic.
The bossy would be the word.
Being a decent human being at the end of the day, I want to be remembered as somebody kind. So yeah, kind.
I guess I would just say inspiring, because like at the end of the day I try to keep it as real as possible. So yeah, inspiring.
I hope it's baddie.
I'll say authentic is the word I feel for me.
It would be comforting because I want my followers to think that I can keep coming back to watch her content and I can just consume it all day. Thank you.
Thank you.